If you want to put on muscle or increase muscle endurance, then ramp training system is for you. Keep in mind, there are 3 training progressions. In addition, all 8-week training blocks have been designed in a special order to produce maximum results. Progression number 1 is Ramp Original. This is a 16-week training course separated by 2 8-week training blocks. Training block 1 is known as Strength Volume. Training block 2 is known as Volume. Progression number 2 is Ramp Volume 1. This is a 24-week training program separated by 3 8-week training blocks known as Base, Boost, and Extreme. Progression number 3 is Ramp Volume 2. This is a 24-week training program separated by 3 8-week training blocks known as Extreme, Base, and Boost. If you have further questions or want more information, click the link in my bio.